Happy holidays, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Notorious Crafts. It's that wonderful time of year again where I go to Michael's craft stores to see what kind of Christmas miniatures they have. Their selection is about an aisle long, and I saw that these are also available online, and I have a link down below to their miniature section on their website. All these items are perfect for decorating your dollhouses or miniature Christmas scenes. Michael's has a lot of miniature ornaments and even tiny string lights in a variety of colors. They have these tiny animals so that you can create your own miniature nativity scene. There's lots of different miniature bows. There's these velvet ones and white ones. There's even some sparkly ones with glitter. While these are really cute, I would never buy them because the glitter gets everywhere. I'm trying to keep a clean home, and I know I'll be finding this glitter for months. Glitter is proof that even the smallest thing can cause chaos. I really like the design on these tiny presents. These would look so cute under a miniature Christmas tree. There's also some bells, and then to the right, there are some sparkly gifts. Hopefully the glitter doesn't come off of those. And then here are their miniature Christmas trees. I like that they come in many different sizes. They even have a pack of all small ones that would look really cute on a dollhouse table or mantle. And then they have these miniature wreaths with some ornaments on them and bows. And then here are the three wise men, which would be great for a miniature nativity scene, some tiny candy canes, some more wreaths in different colors, tiny little ornaments, and a star tree topper. When I was at the store, all the miniatures were 40% off, but I believe now they're 50% off. So all the prices that you see, it's half off. And this is a really unique tree topper. It's a bow made out of beads. That's really cute. And on the bottom shelves, there's some more decorations, some little tiny ornaments, and tiny trees in many different colors. There's some red ones, white ones, green ones that look like they have snow on them. And I see that they are sparkly and glittery, which, like I said, I avoid those like the plague. Colorful presents in the baskets below. Oh, and some pink wreaths in the basket below. There are some Nutcracker figurines. There's the princess from the Nutcracker Ballet, and there's also a Nutcracker mouse. Moving up, there's a Santa sleigh. This would be really cute to put some of the miniature presents in the very back of the sleigh and then putting some reindeer in front of it. Here's a miniature fireplace with all of the decorations painted on it. They have a lot of different Santa figurines. They even have Santa's chair. And here's a gingerbread girl holding a spoon. This one is really adorable. They have some hot cocoa mugs. This would be really cute to put out with a plate of cookies like it is waiting for Santa Claus. And a miniature train set in Christmas colors. It looks like it is made out of wood. This would be really cute to put underneath a miniature Christmas tree. You have these tiny toy soldiers made out of wood, and that's also really great decoration to place in your dollhouse. And miniature elves, these look like they are made from felt. Here is a gingerbread train in pastel colors. I think this is the favorite item that I have found so far. And there are some little plushy snowmen. This would also be cute to put in like a little miniature gift bag to have it as a little gift. Some more figurines for a nativity scene. Moving downward towards this basket, there is a Christmas village set. This would be really good to paint them and have them in many different colors. And there are even more different shapes and sizes of the houses. We have these gift bags that would look really great underneath a miniature Christmas tree. I like that each of the bags has a different design on it, and it looks like there's even tissue paper inside each of the bags. This looks like a ceramic tree that is painted. And this is really cute, a little treat stand with pastel colors. There are some teddy bears with bows on them, some more Christmas treats and cookies on a plate. There's even a hot cocoa stand. It looks like it is all one piece. It's made out of ceramic and everything is painted on it. They even have a toy rocking horse with some gifts underneath it. There are some mini glass bottles with some Christmas items inside. And this little gingerbread house looks pretty realistic. It has quite a lot of detail on it. There are some more figurines, some singing snowmen, Mrs. Claus holding a tree, and some gifts, an elf's workshop, and some letters to Santa Claus. In the baskets below, there are even more miniature presents. This is interesting. It's like a candy Santa Claus. Here's a miniature tea set with a tray. Some more treats on the right. There's even a mailbox so that you can send your letters to Santa. Upward, I see some snowflake ornaments, and then next to them is a candy cane ladder. There's this 3-tiered dessert tray that would be really cute to put some Christmas cookies all over it. They have the ballerina from the Nutcracker and some swans. They have a snow globe with a tree inside. That's a really cool idea. A sign pointing to the North Pole and to Santa's workshop. And here's another holiday dessert stand. This one is shaped like a tree and has lots of different cakes and cookies on the different tiers. Here's a close-up of the presents. They're wrapped in very shiny packaging. On the bottom shelf, there are even more Christmas trees in different sizes. And here are some miniature gingerbread houses. This would go really great with all the gingerbread miniatures that we saw earlier. And now moving on to a different aisle. This is where I found all of their miniature Christmas village stuff. There's a lot of really great tiny Christmas items here that you can find to either use in your dollhouse or to set up your Christmas village. All of these items look really small, like these would be way too small for Barbie, but I think these are even smaller than 1/12. This might be 1/24 scale. They have some pretty cool building components. On the very bottom, there's what looks like a roll of bricks, so you can make a red brick road from it. There are even some street lights that look like they might light up, and they have some room for the battery pack. Some tiny trees. Now going around the corner, there are some more trees in different sizes, some that look like they have snow on them and that they're in a forest. Some that even have lights on them as well. And here's the display of their miniature Christmas village buildings. They have so many different kinds. It looks like they're made of ceramic and they might be hand painted. Some of these items are pretty pricey, so if you want to put a whole village together, that's really going to add up. That's why I always recommend to wait to buy them until they're on sale. When I was there, they were 40% off, so with 40% off, it makes it a much better deal. I personally don't have one of these Christmas villages yet, but it is my dream to one day start collecting these. Let me know down below in the comments if you have a Christmas village and if it's something you enjoy to collect.